In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export a CSV from Google Sheets, step by step, so you can get your data out cleanly and quickly. This is one of the most common tasks you'll need in Google Sheets. Whether you're moving data into another application, sharing a clean dataset with a colleague, or preparing information for a database import. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First things first, you need to open the document you want to export in Google Sheets. If you're brand new to the app, just head over to sheets.google.com and you'll see all your recent spreadsheets listed there. Click on the one you want to work with and it will open in your browser. One thing I love about Google Sheets is that it saves everything automatically to the cloud, so you never have to worry about losing your work before an export. Once your spreadsheet is open, take a moment to scan through your data and make sure everything looks right. This is your last chance to check for errors or missing values before you pull it out. Now, here's a really important step that beginners often miss. You need to click on the specific tab or sheet at the bottom of the window that you actually want to export. Google Sheets works with multiple sheets within a single file. You might see tabs labeled Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sales Data, or Inventory, depending on how you've set it up. The key thing to understand is that a CSV export only grabs the active sheet, the one you are currently viewing. So if your workbook has 10 sheets and you want to export data from the one called Q4 Summary, click that tab first. Make sure it's highlighted and that you can see its contents on screen. This is a common pitfall. People export and wonder why only part of their data came through. It's because they were on the wrong tab. So double check that before you move forward. With the correct sheet selected, look up to the top left corner of your screen and click on the File menu option. This is your command center for almost everything you want to do with the document. Sharing, printing, making a copy, and of course exporting. Go ahead and click it and a drop-down menu will appear with a long list of options. Don't be overwhelmed. You're looking for one specific item in that list. Hover your mouse cursor over the word Download about halfway down the menu. When you hover, a submenu will pop out to the side, showing you all the different file formats you can save your spreadsheet as. You'll see options like Microsoft Excel, Open Document Format, .odds, PDF, and a few others. The one we want is near the bottom, comma-separated values, .csv. Go ahead and click that comma-separated values .csv option. Your browser will immediately start processing the export, and then a standard save dialog box will appear on your screen. This is asking you where on your computer you want to save the file. Choose a location you'll remember easily. Your desktop, your documents folder, or a dedicated project folder are all great choices. Give it a moment to think about the file name. By default, Google Sheets will name the file after your spreadsheet title and the sheet name, but you can rename it to whatever makes sense for you. Once you're happy with the name and location, hit the Save button. That's it. Your CSV file is now sitting on your computer, ready to be used. Now, let me cover a couple of very important things you need to keep in mind before you start relying on CSV exports for critical work. First, as I mentioned earlier, Google Sheets will only export the individual tab you are viewing when you clicked the download button. Your entire workbook might contain dozens of sheets with complex relationships, but Google Sheets treats each tab as a separate entity for CSV purposes. This means if you need to export multiple sheets from the same workbook, you have to repeat the entire process for each one. Go back to the Sheet tab, click it, then go to File, Download CSV and save it with a distinct name. There is no bulk export option, so plan accordingly if you're dealing with a large file. Dit is het sendend en zelling schutamts a path of a lot of people. Formatting loss. A CSV file stands for comma-separated values, and it is a plain text format. That means absolutely no styling, no cell colors, no bold or italic text, no merged cells, no borders, and no formulas will survive the export. All of your carefully applied formatting, gone. Only the raw text and the final calculated values remain. If you had a column with a formula like equals sum of A1 through A10, the CSV will not contain the formula. It will contain the number that formula calculated. Similarly, if you used conditional formatting to highlight certain cells in red, none of that color information comes along. The beauty of CSV is its simplicity and universal compatibility. Almost every program on Earth can open it, but the trade-off is that it strips everything down to its bare data bones. So, if you need to preserve formatting, you're better off exporting as an Excel file or a PDF. But for clean, portable data, CSV is your best friend. To recap, you've now successfully exported a CSV from Google Sheets. You learned to select the right sheet, navigate the file menu to the download option, choose the CSV format, and save it to your computer. You also now know the critical limitations, only one sheet at a time, and no formatting preserved. This knowledge will save you time and frustration, especially when you're moving data into tools like Excel, database systems, or data analysis software that expect clean CSV files. As a next step, I recommend opening your exported CSV in a simple text editor like Notepad or TextEdit, just to see its raw structure. It's a great way to really understand what a CSV file looks like under the hood. If you ever need to share data without any extra baggage, this is your go-to method. Thanks for sticking with me through this guide. If you found value in it, please hit that like button. It genuinely helps others find our content. And feel free to drop a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. I read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next. Until the next video, happy sheets.